Welcome, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Today, we embark on a journey less about the stars above and more about the stars within us, the sparks of ingenuity that created calendars, alphabets, and numerals. These systems are the bedrock of civilizations, the invisible threads weaving the tapestry of human history. Join me as we decode these systems, exploring their origins, impact on societies, and their relevance in our modern world. Our first stop is the Gregorian calendar, a system so ingrained in our lives we often take it for granted.
The Gregorian calendar, with its leap years and division of time into months, weeks, and days, provides the framework for our daily activities and our perception of time.
Now, let's shift our gaze to the Islamic calendar, a system intertwined with faith and the moon's dance.
Unlike the Gregorian calendar, the Islamic calendar follows the lunar cycle, its months waxing and waning with the moon's phases.
Our journey through time now leads us to the Hebrew calendar, a system that blends the cycles of both the sun and the moon.
This intricate lunisolar calendar, with its intercalary months and its connection to Jewish tradition, shows the ingenuity of reconciling celestial rhythms with cultural practices.
Chapter 4, The Chinese Calendar, a Zodiac Symphony.
We venture into the rich tapestry of the Chinese calendar, a lunisolar system guiding Chinese society for millennia.
Each year in this system is not just a number, but a vibrant character, represented by one of 12 zodiac animals.
Chapter 5. The Ethiopian calendar, a unique path through time. Our temporal journey now takes us to the Ethiopian calendar, a system with ancient roots and a unique rhythm. Chapter 6. The Latin alphabet, a legacy of letters. From celestial cycles, we now turn to the building blocks of language alphabets. The Latin alphabet is a testament to the power of symbols to shape our world. Our journey continues eastward to the Cyrillic alphabet, uniting a diverse tapestry of Slavic languages. With its unique characters, it captures the sounds of Slavic languages, reminding us that writing systems are bridges connecting cultures. Let's embark on a journey to the world of the Arabic alphabet, renowned for its elegant calligraphy and its role in shaping Islamic culture. The Arabic alphabet is more than just a tool for communication. It is a vessel for art, faith, and the transmission of knowledge across generations. Our exploration of alphabets now takes us to South Asia, home to the Devanagari script, a system representing sounds in languages like Hindi, Marathi, and Sanskrit. With elegant characters and phonetic precision, it showcases human ingenuity in representing speech diversity. Chapter 10. The Hangul alphabet, a symphony of simplicity and sound. Hangul is a testament to human ingenuity, creating systems both beautiful and practical, systems that empower people with the gift of literacy. Chapter 11. Hindu-Arabic numerals, the language of mathematics.
These 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, are the bedrock of modern mathematics. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system is the language of science, engineering, and technology.
Chapter 12. Roman numerals, echoes of an empire. Roman numerals are more than a historical curiosity. They remind us of the enduring legacy of Roman civilization and the power of symbols to transcend time.
Next, we venture into the world of Chinese numerals, a system used for millennia and thriving alongside Arabic numerals in China. Chinese numerals remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is not limited to a single path. It is enriched by diverse cultural perspectives.
Our numerical exploration now takes us to South Asia, where we encounter Devanagari numerals, a system used in languages like Hindi, Marathi, and Sanskrit. These numerals remind us that even in mathematics, cultural expression leaves its mark. Our final stop in the world of numerals takes us to the Arabic-speaking world, where we encounter Arabic Indic numerals, a testament to the interconnectedness of cultures. Arabic Indic numerals remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is a collective human endeavor, transcending borders and enriching our understanding of the world.
As we conclude our cosmic journey through calendars, alphabets, and numerals, marvel at the ingenuity of the human mind. These systems are the scaffolding of our civilizations, our understanding of the world, and our ability to communicate. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of our universe beyond our pale blue dot.